We all have our own unique approach to love, intimacy, and connection. But did you know your zodiac sign can reveal a lot about how intense and passionate you are in the bedroom? You see, astrology isn't just about personality traits and emotions. It's deeply embedded in how we experience desire, passion, and connection on a much more primal level. So let's get into it. Which zodiac signs have the most sexual energy? Which ones are more likely to leave a lasting impression in the bedroom? We're about to dive deep into the most seductive and intense zodiac signs. And trust me, you're going to want to hear this. First up, we've got Aries, the passionate fire sign that's known for its boldness, confidence, and fiery nature. When it comes to sex, Aries doesn't hold back. Ruled by Mars, the planet of action and desire, Aries takes the lead and craves excitement. Their sexual energy is raw, intense, and sometimes even a little unpredictable. Aries loves to take charge in the bedroom and will never shy away from trying something new. They're fearless, spontaneous, and their desire for adventure is unmatched. But beneath that fiery exterior lies a deep need for connection, so if you can keep up with their intensity, they're all in. Next, we have Scorpio, the sign that has earned its reputation as one of the most sensual and sexual signs of the zodiac. Ruled by Pluto, the planet of transformation and power, Scorpio thrives on intensity and depth, both emotionally and physically. When it comes to sex, Scorpios dive into the depths of desire, exploring every aspect of intimacy with passion and focus. For Scorpio, sex isn't just a physical act, it's an emotional and psychological connection. They crave intimacy that goes beyond the surface, and they want to be completely consumed by their partner. Scorpio's sexual energy is magnetic, and once they find a connection, it's incredibly hard to break. They're not afraid of dark, taboo, or intense fantasies and are deeply attuned to the needs of their partner. Taurus is another sign that brings incredible sexual energy to the table. Ruled by Venus, the planet of love and beauty, Taurus craves sensuality and physical pleasure. Their approach to intimacy is slow, steady, and indulgent. They want to savor every moment. For Taurus, sex is about more than just physical connection. It's about feeling completely safe and comfortable with their partner. They're sensual creatures who appreciate the finer things in life, so expect them to be attentive and focused on your needs. A Taurus in the bedroom is about building trust and creating a deep, satisfying experience for both partners. Leo, ruled by the sun, brings an incredibly magnetic energy to the bedroom. Leos love to feel adored and admired, and they often bring a sense of drama and excitement to their sexual encounters. With their confident nature, they're not afraid to take center stage, both in and out of the bedroom. Their sexual energy is bold, creative, and playful. They enjoy the thrill of seduction and aren't afraid to express their desires. For Leo, intimacy is about being admired, respected, and thoroughly enjoyed. They want to be the center of attention and often prefer partners who can match their passion and intensity. Capricorn may not be the first sign that comes to mind when thinking about sexual energy, but don't let their reserved nature fool you. Ruled by Saturn, Capricorn has a deep, steady energy that translates to their sex life as well. They take their time, and when they commit, they give their all. Capricorns aren't about casual flings. They want depth, loyalty, and respect. Once they've found someone they trust, they'll surprise you with their dedication and intensity. Their sexual energy is often understated, but they're willing to go the distance to ensure their partner's needs are met. It's about building trust, loyalty, and a sense of security before diving into more passionate territory. Pisces, ruled by Neptune, is one of the most sensitive and dreamy signs when it comes to intimacy. Their sexual energy is mystical, romantic, and otherworldly. They're the type to get lost in the moment, completely absorbed by the experience of connection. For Pisces, sex is about merging energies, a deep sense of soul connection, and emotional bonding. They are naturally intuitive and will often pick up on their partner's needs without a word being spoken. Their lovemaking style is tender, nurturing, and imaginative, often leading to an ethereal, almost dreamlike experience. Pisces may prefer a deep emotional connection before fully opening up sexually, but when they do, their passion is unmatched. So there you have it, the zodiac signs that bring the most intense, passionate energy to the bedroom. Of course, sexual compatibility goes beyond just sun signs, but knowing your partner's astrological makeup can certainly give you insight into how they express their desires. Whether you're an Aries craving adventure, a Taurus seeking sensuality, or a Scorpio needing deep emotional connection, these signs bring different types of sexual energy to the table. And no matter what your sign is, remember that astrology is just a tool. It's your personal connections, communication, and mutual respect that truly make an experience unforgettable. If this video resonated with you, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your zodiac sign. I'd love to hear how your energy shows up in your relationships.